Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone. I'm Jessica and I'm here to share with you an amazing experience I had while visiting an incredible beach paradise in Bahia, Brazil. Are you ready to come on a virtual walking tour with me? Please click like and leave a comment if you want me to share more videos. We started our adventure on a sunny afternoon at the beach, taking in some of the most beautiful views in the region. Every step we took was a new discovery of the crystal clear waters with amazing shades of green and blue, of the sand that stretched out for miles, and of the rock formation that curves around the beach and makes it such a hidden paradise. Walking around northeast Brazil was a true adventure. Everywhere we went, we were met with smiles and welcoming locals. We explored the nooks and crannies around the beach and through the foliage, finding hidden gems like old stone walls and magic trees with fruits that only grow in that part of the world. Every corner we peeked around had something else to offer, and it felt like we were living a dream. The sunsets were absolutely breathtaking, and the sound of nature was everywhere. The birds sang and the wind blew, and we were completely in awe of this part of the world. It's definitely a place everyone should visit at least once in their lifetime. At the end of our trip, we had a night stroll along the beach, listening to the waves and breathing in the salty sea air. It was the perfect way to end our journey, and one we'll never forget. If you liked this video, please click like and write a comment so that I can continue to make videos about my travel experiences. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos about my amazing adventures around the world. Thanks for watching, and until next time.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!